Hello to all traders. Today I've prepared a trading strategy for you that eliminates the need for complex indicators and never misleads you. So stay with me until the end of the video. As you know, the first step is to enter the TradingView website and then select our symbol. I'll choose my symbol here, but you can select any symbol you want because this strategy is not limited to a specific symbol. After that, you should go to the time frame section and select your desired time frame. This strategy works from the lowest time frame of 1 minute to the highest, which is daily. So choose your preferred time frame. I'll choose the 5-minute time frame. The main thing is to add the first indicator of the strategy to our chart. For this, we go to the Indicator tab and search for Moving Average Trend Sniper. Once found, click on it to add it to the chart. Then we need to go to the settings of this indicator and make the changes we want. Now that we have completed the changes to this indicator, I'll explain how to use it. This indicator consists of a line that constantly changes color. We should use these color changes for our trades. When this line changes from red to green, we enter buy orders. And when it changes from green to red, we enter sell orders. Remember that one indicator is not always reliable and may mislead you in some places and cause you losses. To prevent this, we need to add other indicators to our chart. So we go to the Indicator tab and search for Normalized Smooth MACD. Once found, click on it to add it as the second indicator of this strategy. Now we need to go to its settings and apply the changes we want to make this indicator suitable for our strategy. After making these changes, I will explain how to use this indicator. This indicator consists of two parts separated by this line, which we call the zero line. Whenever the columns of this indicator are green and placed above the zero line, we consider the trend to be upward and look for buy positions. Whenever the columns of this indicator are red and placed below the zero line, we understand that we are in a downtrend and only look for sell positions. Now that I have fully explained the two indicators, I need to tell you how to enter a trade. But before that, be sure to subscribe to be notified of new videos and watch them. We'll start with sell orders. First, we need to make sure that the sniper trend line has changed color from green to red. After we found that point, we should go to the MACD indicator and make sure that here the columns are red and placed below the zero line. When all conditions are met, we have found our entry point. Now for stop loss, we find the last swing high and place our stop loss slightly above it. For take profit, it's enough to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. For buy orders, we should go to the sniper trend indicator and make sure that the line of this indicator has changed color from red to green. Then we go to the MACD indicator and make sure that here the columns are green and placed above the zero line. If all these conditions are met, we have found our entry point. For stop loss, it's enough to find last swing low and place our stop loss slightly below it. For take profit, it's enough to consider a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. As you can see, this strategy was not very complicated and using it is very simple and easy. The only thing you need to do is to make sure to follow the rules of money management so that you never incur losses and always protect your money. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Take care until the next video.